Well, we've been located in WEIMAR since the 70s. It was built by Utex and for us. One of the unofficial slang expressions is, as WEIMAR goes, so goes Utex. We're a big employer in the area and we're a big part of the community. We feel a responsibility to the community. We have second and third generation employees, parents and grandkids that have come to work for us, and there's a real sense of obligation there.
WEIMAR currently is Utex's flagship. That's where the majority and the hub of our materials science and development occurs. The polymers, the rubbers to fabrics, the rubbers to metals are utilized in many of the products that are built in all of our facilities. WEIMAR's impact on the growth of Utex is very significant. We make our premier flagship product there, and that's our Super Gold packing.
The XLH Super Gold well service packing was developed in 2006. It is the first and only header ring that was fabric reinforced that works in the most aggressive applications. We're the first to patent that ring. We couple that with Utex's traditional Super Gold pressure rings, and the combination of those rings becomes the XLH Super Gold well service product, which is used by most completions companies today in the pressure pumping industry.
You know, one thing about it is there's a lot of good people here. You have a ton of tenured employees here. My dad was one of them. He started here with Utex and was here for 48 years. When you have this many tenured employees, you have a lot of knowledge that you're working around. So I think that goes into our products and what makes this place special.
Continuous improvement in everything that we do. That's one of the things that we're always looking for. It's been really thrilling to see this company grow. We've come a long way compared to when I first started. I have an awesome team, and we work toward growth and success of our company.
There's a balance of pride, but also fact that a lot of Utex success is rooted in the success and the innovations that the WEIMAR team over the years has brought to bear.